Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum a column in Excel. Let's get started. Excel offers several methods for summing values within cells, and we're going to share the simplest and fastest one. Imagine you have a table with data on the sales of different individuals across quarters. We'll use this table to demonstrate the sum function. Let's start by calculating the total sales for quarter 1. Navigate to cell C11, where we want the sum of sales to appear. Then go to the Home tab and locate the Editing section. Choose AutoSum. Excel will intelligently highlight the cells it believes you want to sum. If you need to adjust the range, simply click on the top right corner of the selected cells and modify it as necessary. In our case, we want to sum all sales for quarter 1. So we'll keep the mark area from C3 to C10. Press Enter. Voila! You've got the total sales for quarter 1 right there. If you'd like to calculate sums for the remaining quarters, just click on the cells where the quarter 1 sum is displayed. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell and drag the formula across the other columns. You can use the same technique to sum values in rows representing the sales of individual people across all quarters. For instance, to calculate the sum for the first row, click the cell beneath the total column and once again, click on Auto Sum, as you're already familiar. Press Enter, and then copy the formula down the total column to calculate the rest of the rows by dragging the bottom left corner of the selected cell. You're all set. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more contents like this.